Welcome to WebStylePress. How to make a subscriber an admin on WordPress. Making a subscriber an admin on WordPress is very risky and should only be done in very specific and rare situations. If a subscriber is someone you fully trust, like he's a coworker, partner, developer, or team member, or you want anybody to manage content, plugins, users, and WordPress settings, then you want to make him admin from subscriber. Or you are transferring ownership or giving full control to someone, maybe client or buyer, then it's a valid use case. Got it? Right? Okay, so here is how you do it. Go to users, all users, edit the desired user who is subscriber. Click edit. Change the role from subscriber to administrator, and that user will be an admin of the WordPress site. Select administrator from role and click update user. Go to users, and that user is now an administrator. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.